Hello everyone, this is my book Road Towards World Peace through Walt Whitman and K.K. Ndarwala's poems, and through this poem I'm just going to share a few chapters with you, and this book is available in Amazon and as ebook. Please buy this book, and you can give a like button, hit a like button if you like this video, and you can subscribe to my channel too. And today I'm going to discuss one of the chapters from this book, Road Towards World Peace through Walt Whitman and K.K. Ndarwala's poem. And they wanted universal brotherhood, comradeship and fraternity. So how is it possible? How can it be made possible? Because speaking is easy, but implementing the same is a little difficult. So they have talked about the common masses, their difficulties and suffering. And so in this video we are going to talk about the diseases and what is the responsibility of doctors and nurses. Walt Whitman taught through action. Walt Whitman himself took care of the patients during the wartime. He nursed them, looked after them, so therefore he feels that one should act on what he is preaching first of all. And one should act on what one is preaching first of all, and one should be good human being first and serve the society and its people. One should voluntarily help during the hours of need. One should believe in humanism, and he felt that you don't need a degree to look after others or take care of them. You don't have to be a president or a great person, to do great deeds. You can help others wherever you are, and you don't need to have money to help someone in need. One should try to do every work as no work is small, and thus help in the development of the nation. Healthy people can only healthy people can only help further in developing healthy nation. If people are healthy, then only they can help in serving the society. Body is important. Walt Whitman feels that if soul is important, body is also important. One should take care of the body as one takes care of the temple, because one can fulfill all the dreams and can implement all the ideas when one is healthy. If women are healthy, they will bear healthy children. And healthy people can work more efficiently and work hard more than other common weak people. If athletes have good health, then they can win all races and thus bring glory to the nation. Countries should have good hospitals and good equipments for the treatment. He therefore felt that there should be exchange of knowledge so that scientific and technological development takes place, and there should be sharing of information amongst different nations. They should come together and share knowledge, and Asian people can come to America to learn about the scientific and technological development, and American people have lots to gain from the Vedic philosophy, yoga and meditation, as well as spirituality, which can only be learned from India or Asia. Thus, the amalgamation of all can lead to a healthy and developed country. And now the suggestions are: people should be aware of health and hygiene. People should be told about healthy and balanced diet. People, whatever they are having and all, and they should take care of their health. They should have healthy diet. They need to exercise. They should clean themselves, take bath, eat healthy food, live in a clean and green environment. Cleanliness is very important. People should be taught to drink clean water. Doctors should look after patients properly, and nurses should do their duty sincerely and take care of the patients, and patients should be given right medicines. Conclusion: K.K. Ndarwala and Walt Whitman, they are talking about the diseases in which strict action should be taken by the doctors and nurses. They should be able to take care of the patients. Right medicines and treatment should be given to the patients. That is very important. Giving the right medicine to the patient, that is very important. If you will give wrong medicine, that patient will die. If you will not take care of that patient will die. So KK and Daruwala is horrified at the pathetic plight of the patients. They are dying of cholera, and doctor gives it another name as gastroenteritis or some other name, and thus we can say patients, they are dying, and there's no proper medicine for it. There are no doctors to take care, you know, and nurses are also not there to take care of the patients properly. They are very cold, they are not empathetic. So you need to be loving, kind, caring, compassionate. So this is all is needed to become a good nurse or a good doctor. You don't only just require a degree, right? So they should not look at the patients with cold eyes, and if they are in white attire and they feel that their clothes are going to get dirty looking after the patients, so I think so then this profession is not for them. So looking after the patient is a must, and that is their duty. One should be responsible citizen of the country. When the disease is spread, they should be well aware about their duties and help in curing the patients, because they are the one after God and can give life to the people. If people would be healthy, free from diseases, then only they can help in the development of the country. Help people. Healthy people means healthy nation. Thank you.